How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today is Wednesday. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning, and today for this video we are going to work on the new 260Z, and we're gonna replace a few hose clamps that go to the fuel lines from the fuel tank up into the engine, or fuel filter, then the engine, whatever you want to call it. So they're pretty cheap. If you want to do this yourself, I would recommend doing it, especially if you have an older vehicle. I got them, let's see, $2.49, and you get 4 of them, so that's not bad. And we're just gonna replace 2 of them today, so nothing big. And they're really easy to get to. If you have a newer vehicle, it might be a little bit harder, but I have a 74 260Z, so it's pretty easy. Your selfie camera's a lot better than mine. Say cheese. So I'm gonna get the clamps right now, and then we're gonna put them on. Pardon the music. All right, let's see if you're high enough. I think that should be good. All right, yeah, that's fine. That's good.
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 I got rocks up my butt.
Just a good shirt.
Yeah, now can I play with my ball?
Come on, you can do it.
I am working on it.
Push, push, push. Oh, look, there you go. Look at me.
You already had it up.
Look at me.
You already had it up.
I know, but it was in a bad spot, so I wanted you to fix it.
Okay.
2 of my favorite things.
Is it done?
Does it look high enough?
I don't know.
You good? Are you good?
Yes.
Okay. So, got these thingies. What are they called? You know what they're called.
Wait, are they the clamps or the spark plugs?
They're clamps.
Yeah.
No, these are not spark plugs.
Okay.
Okay. Anyways, she's gonna put these on. Or at least she'll tighten them. I might put them on for her. So, I'm gonna get this around the
My
fuel
finger.
hose. Huh?
My finger.
What about your finger? What? Anyways, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for her, and I'll have her tighten it up. Stop.
I don't know what it's doing. No, I'm sucking at it. Don't record.
There you go. No, you're doing good. You're doing good. Besides getting stuff in your face.
I am?
Yeah, you're doing good.
Okay.
All right, does it feel pretty tight?
I don't know.
Are you having trouble at all?
Yeah.
All right. So you got that done. How was that?
Okay.
Just okay?
Yeah.
You gonna say hello now?
Hi. You
Okay.
got stuff on your nose.
Okay, anyways. So, I haven't actually given you guys a tour of the car yet. So, inside's a little rough. I've actually got some new ordered to fill in that gaping hole up there. Back seats aren't too bad. It's actually relatively clean. I did a lot of cleaning when I first got it. The driver's side door is a little worse than the passenger side. See, that one's practically falling off. 4-speed auto. I mean manual, my bad. 44, let's see if you guys can see. 44,508 miles. And that's the only problem with the driver's side door. It doesn't always close. You just kind of got to push on it a little bit. But other than that, the car is pretty good condition. I'm very proud of it. And I'm hoping that it'll last me a long time. I love the body lines of the Z, and I love their engines. Their straight sixes make wonderful noises. But thank you guys for watching. That's gonna be the end of this video. Probably wasn't too long. It was probably like last week's. It wasn't too long at all. All those last weeks turned out to be like 6-7 minutes. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna take it off the jacks now, and peace out. Catch you next time.